Hi Blake, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I wanted to send you this video just to kind of show you the amount of searches per month in your area for painters, and also just giving you a few tips that will help you start improving your ranking on Google, which will ultimately get you some of those customers. So the three things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is really just the words on your home page, the words in the photos. And so Google likes to see between 1,000 and 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. And also, when they're crawling your page, they don't see the photos, they read what's behind them. So when we save image as, we can see that this image is home box img 2. So you want to get your images saved as keywords. Taking a look at a couple of your competitors, we see that 5-Star has quite a bit of content on their homepage, and what that does is it tells Google that they are the authority in your niche. So I would recommend doing the 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Same thing with Landmark. They have a pretty decent amount of content on their homepage as well. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when you search for Painters Fort Worth, at the top we'll always see the paid ads first. Studies show that those are not really all that effective. Majority of the clicks go to the map pack and to the organic section. So citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp, White Pages, and even Facebook. It's important with your citations that everything is exact. So if Southern Painting - Fort Worth is your business name, which I know it's not, but just for example, you'll need to have the dash in every single citation, along with your phone number being exact, the comma, everything needs to be exactly the same. So the tool I like to use for that is whitespark.ca. So when we look at you guys, we see you have 21 citations, 5-Star has 13, and Landmark has 22. So I recommend that you just go ahead and add another 50 citations so that way you can beat your competition by a landslide. One place you can get citations is just simply view sources. And you can view all these sources right here of where your competitors have their citations. And just click on the site and go get it. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. And a backlink is also known as link juice, and link juice, simply put, works like this. So site A is going to point to site B, therefore site A is acting like a link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but there's a little bit more to it than that. So the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective if you have relative backlinks linking back to you. So another painter site in, say, California linking back to your website is a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. I know this is a newer site, it's a newer business for you, so you're not going to have any information. But taking a look at 5-Star Painting, we see they have 22 referring domains, giving them 154 backlinks. Looking at DFW Paint Pros, which is actually Landmark, they have 10 referring domains, giving them 167 backlinks. And I will tell you that not all backlinks are created equal. Some are trustworthy and some are spammy. This is a great example of a spammy set of backlinks. So this UR is the power, the DR is the trust. We see that he has no trust in Google's eyes. So this is actually really easy to beat. So we just need to get you some relative trustworthy backlinks pointing to your website. One way we can do that is, well, not to use him because his links aren't very good, but this guy has pretty good numbers. So we can click on his backlinks and we can simply just go through all these websites right here and just try and find you a link. And that'll help push power to your site. I wanted to go ahead and go over the keywords with you so you can see the number of searches per month. So Painters in Fort Worth is a keyword. There's on average 250 searches a month. The KD is keyword difficulty, 0 being the easiest. Painter Fort Worth TX, there's another 100 searches. Fort Worth Painters, another 50 searches. And just to show you, I pulled up a painter in Dallas to show you the increase of volume in Dallas compared to Fort Worth. So Dallas Painter, there's 300. Painter Dallas TX, there's another 250. Painters Dallas, another 100. Dallas Painting Companies, another 100. Dallas House Painters, another 100. House Painting Dallas, another 100. So you can see that like the volume goes way up for Dallas. So I would recommend getting some keywords for Dallas on your page, having a back page for Dallas specifically, so you can be found out there. I know it's probably a little bit further of a drive you want to make, but the amount of volume that you could get would, I think, totally be worth your time. So just to do a recap for you, I would do at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. Get your photos optimized. Go ahead and add 50 citations and get some relative trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your website so you can beat out your competitors and be #1 on the list. That is it. These are all things you can do yourself, but if you'd like to take the easiest, most effective route, you can just reach back out to me. Again, my name is Stephanie. My email is info@peerlessstrategies.com, or you can call me directly at 912-661-3473. Like I had mentioned in my post, I am trying to do what I can to help out businesses. So I am offering free ad creation and management, but you have to pay for the ad spend, and also deeply discounted SEO services. So let me know if that interests you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.